Hi friends, in this video we are creating level 5, so let's continue. First we write the main menu scene to main menu, please enter, go to level 4 that we have created. Now delete the previous object. Now scale by pressing Shift S, or first press S, now Shift Z, press 0 for camera view, Shift F, move to backwards, then add a mesh cube, go to edit mode, select this option and then scale to z-axis, move downwards, go to object mode again, as for scaling, move downwards, now as to y, as to x-axis, then as to z-axis. Now press Shift A, add a cube that will make a wall. As to z-axis, then change the color of this object to red, and again red. Now press Shift A, add a mesh cube, then scale it to small size, again add object. Now this time we are adding cylinder, this will be the button, and then again add a cube. We will put 8. First go to edit mode, scale to z-axis, move to downwards, and go to object mode, as for scale, as to z-axis, then to x-axis. Now press I for location, not location. Now first go to frame 1 and then check the height to the axis. So move to downwards, insert the keyframe location and move to upwards. First go to frame 50, then move to z-axis, press I, location. Now the animation is made. Go to frame 1, again. Now first press Shift D, to y-axis, and then move the object towards this and add a wall by pressing Shift D. Shift G again, y-axis, now you can see it's a wall, and duplicate this helper object also. So add the color, not red color, blue color, then select the cylinder and add that sensor collision. So select cube 1 and add game property H, and also with the second helper object H1. Select the collision. Now property will be H1 and again collision H. Select the ramp that hidden under the platform of a game. Add cube, add actuator. The actuator will be action will be cube action 009, join. No, first we need to add and controller, so join with the action. Now the starting frame will be 1 and the end frame will be 50. Then add color to all of the things that we have made. Now again with this cylinder also, but first we have to check our game. Play the game. You can see it's a mistake, and so we have to solve it. Select the helping object, go to physics type, will be character, and again physics type character. Play the game. You can see now it's moving. You can see the action is not playing. You can see the object move. So again, play the game, and now we were doing this with the other hypercube, and again it's move. So it's correct. The mistake is correct. As to z-axis, now it's done, and now we will add a thing with this button. So we will add a platform, press Shift A, add a cube, move the frame to 1, and press I for location, and then let's remove the frame, alternative Y, delete keyframe. Again, now location rotation, move the frame to 50, and move to upwards, then press S for scaling to x-axis. Press I, location scaling, you can see the object scales, and it makes a way to the coin. So we will add cube, not a cube, add duplicate the point, put in the end of this object, and the object color will be red. Now move the frame to 1, select the cylinder, add sensor, collision will be H, or add sensor, collision H1. Now add controller all, and join collision with R. Now select the moving object and add an action. The action will be cube action 13, and join the collision or an action. The starting frame will be 1 and the end frame will be 50. Now add an action, add an animation with this button. Press I for location and to 30, 20. The button will move downwards. So add activate action. Action will be cylinder 001 action. Join, and starting frame will be 1. The end frame will be 30. And again with this option also, this button also. So move frame to 1 and add location. Now move to cylinder frame to 30, add Control Z, move to 30, move the button to downwards, and press I for location. The action will be cylinder action. Join, the starting frame will be 1 and the end frame will be 30. Now press 0 and play the game. You can see a point over there, but the player can't get it, so we move the helper object, and again it's the end of this video. In the next video we are creating, in the next video will be the last video. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe.